Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Thakur. I work as an application engineer with the Bacon India. In this video, I will be showing you how we can automate the creation of SolidWorks drawings and convert the folder of drawings to PDF or DXF using SolidWorks Task Scheduler. Most people have the question of how we can automate the creation of drawings and convert the whole folder of drawings to PDF or DXF format. We can use a PDF option to save the individual drawings to PDF format, but it will be time consuming if you want to convert a batch of files to PDF format. The best way to do this is to use SolidWorks Task Scheduler. It is a separate application. We can find it in a start menu. Tasks will be automatically assigned in it and we will be able to do our other work simultaneously. Thus, a lot of time will be saved. So today we are going to see the create drawings and export files option in the task scheduler application so that we can create and convert a folder of SolidWorks drawings to PDF or DXF very easily. Here we go. I will open the SolidWorks task scheduler application. Within the task scheduler, you can see a lot of features on the left hand side. We have to create drawings. So click create drawings option. We can give the title of the task here. Now we need to import the drawing template. So browse the location where we create the predefined drawing views template. Now we need to import the folder of parts to create the drawings of those parts. Just browse the location of that folder. After adding folder, select the running mode, that is for once, daily, weekly or monthly. You can set the starting date and starting time as well. You can save the output as the same original file or save it in a specific location. Browse the location. Click advanced option to check browsed folder and schedule time. After that, just click finish. We can see that SolidWorks launches at the left corner where the task started processing. We can see the status of the task and its progress. You can do your other work while tasks are scheduled. We can see that the tasks are now completed and we can browse the location to see all the drawing files. You can have a look at it. We have created a folder of SolidWorks drawings which we have to convert into PDF format. Now I will open the task scheduler application. Within the task scheduler, you can see on the left hand side the import files and export files options. Choose export files option. We want to convert drawing files to PDF. So select the PDF type. Select add folder and browse the location of that folder. Now repeat the same procedure which we have done while creating drawings. We can see that SolidWorks launches on the left corner where the task started processing. We can do our other works simultaneously while tasks are processed on background. We can see that the tasks are completed and we can browse the location to see all the files that are converted to PDF format. You can have a look at it. Thus, SolidWorks Task Scheduler provides you a simple way to output the files in a batch. If you enjoy this video or learn anything new, please like, comment and share this video with all your colleagues. Also, subscribe to our channel for more new contents. Alright, thank you for watching and goodbye.